Alright, so there you guys go, that's what the lenses look like on my naturally dark brown Asian eyes, and now we're going to move on to the review proper. Alright, as you guys saw, I have I would say like the fairly typical Asian eyes, like very dark brown. Does look a little bit lighter in direct light, definitely more on the reddy brown side of things. I would like to say these contacts definitely give me a bit of a hazel sort of effect on the eye. I think from afar they just look like a slightly lighter shade of brown, and that's sometimes what you'd want, just a nice little change, nothing too dramatic, but just enough to say that, you know, your eyes look a little bit different. I do have to say I was a little bit surprised at these contacts looking like this particular shade, just because when you actually take them out of the container they look orange, and I was expecting my eyes to be more like warm tone brown, like a lot warmer than what they are right now. From what I can tell from this light, and even in daylight, I feel like they look, like I said, more on the hazel, so a little bit heading towards green, which can be interpreted as being a little bit on the cooler side of things. I do have to say with the diameter of this, it doesn't fit my eyes perfectly, and because it has that orange tint, the actual lens itself, if you go up close to my eye like in this photo, you can see there's a slight little orange ring, and that's just mainly because of the diameter of my actual eye itself. So if you have a wider diameter you probably won't have that problem. So I find that people that are of Caucasian descent, or just people that aren't Asian in general, tend to have a larger sort of like iris size, so this will probably fit you a lot better without having that weird sort of like color diffusing on the edges. But otherwise I don't think most people would notice unless they really got up close, but again, you know, this is a review. So the lenses that I have do have a prescription, and these do last up to a year. I was actually really surprised at the quality of the lens. These are actually quite thin. They're really thin for an annual lens. I actually thought they were going to just be maybe like a 2 or 3 month sort of like disposable contact lens, but no, it's 3 years, so that's actually quite impressive. So going on to the Pinky Paradise website, it says here it normally retails for $26.90. I believe that is in USD, and at the time of filming this video it's currently on sale for $24.21. Honestly, for that price, this is actually really good, considering these lenses do last a year. Whether or not they will actually make it to a year if you use it every single day is another question. I don't know. I've only really just worn this a couple of times. Also, this is the promotion image they use on the website, and I have to say this is actually quite accurate. Again, this is in the brown shade, but if you look at the diagram or the photo they're using, it's definitely got like a slight green hazel tint. It looks a little bit lighter in the photo than it is on my eye, but I'd say a fairly accurate representation of what it looks like. Oh, here's a little close-up image of the lens itself. As you guys can see, it's definitely more of a warm tone, like reddy orange shade. In terms of comfort for these lenses, again, because they are quite thin, I do feel that they are quite comfortable to wear. I have worn these for at least 6-8 hours straight, and because it's currently winter here in Australia, we've got the heater on, so it's also drying out the atmosphere around me. I do find that maybe around the 6-hour mark my eyes start to dry up, but that's for contact lens in general. Even my clear ones, I find that I do need to put in eye drops as well. So I'd say it performs average. Okay, so that is pretty much the video, guys. I think these lenses are awesome. I think they are a very nice natural pair of brown contact lenses, also very comfortable. If you guys would like to watch my other reviews on the Uris collection, I will link them on the screen and down in the description box down below, as well as all my other contact lens review videos if you guys are interested. And yeah, if you guys would like to see these contacts in action with my makeup on, definitely check out my Instagram, which I'll link on the screen, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.